What's up, guys? So today, let's talk about TikTok. I'm sure you've heard the Rex Ochi story of Kabilem and also the rise of Charlie and all the other different influencers on TikTok. But how are all those people making money? So in this video, I'll be telling you 5 ways you can make real money on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first way to earn money on TikTok is by joining their creator funds. And in this way, you'll be paid per view, and their rate is around 4 to 2 cents per every 1,000 views. Meaning to say that if you get 1 million views, you'll get about $20 to 40 US dollars. So that is the current rate. And then for you to be able to join the creator fund, you should have at least 10,000 authentic followers, 100,000 authentic views in the last 30 days. And then also your content should be original videos, and they should also meet the TikTok community guidelines, and your age should be at least 18 years. And on number 2, you can collaborate with companies like KFC, companies like clothing companies, with big brands, and then those companies will pay you. So what will be happening is that once you get in contact with those companies, they will tell you how to include their products in your videos. And then when you're creating a video now, you incorporate their products or their brands. And then from there now, they'll be having more exposure. In other words, you'll be marketing their products and brands. And from there, you can actually make a lot of money. This is usually for people with a large following, because obviously brands will want to associate themselves with people that are being followed by a lot of people, because they want exposure. They want their products to be known. They want to reach as many people as they can. So that is another way you can make money on TikTok. That is if you have a large following. So the next way of making money on TikTok applies to everyone. Basically anyone with an account. You don't need to have a large following for you to be able to make money this way. So this is whereby you sell products on your account. So as you do your videos, you include your own products, and then from them you'll be able to get customers. There is this channel that is called Always Us, Never Them. It's a clothing line. It's, I think the guy is around 16 or 18 years. So what he does, he makes videos while he's printing his t-shirts, and then from there now his followers will buy those t-shirts from him. So he does not have a lot of followers, but having more followers might be an advantage because you'll be marketing your product to a lot of people. So that is another way of making money on TikTok. So go ahead, get some products, and those products that you want to sell should be in line as well with your videos. For example, let's say if you do fitness videos, so you can sell maybe sportswear, or you can sell supplements, because your audience is already watching your videos on fitness, so they are likely to buy those products that are related to your videos. And on number 4, we have growing and selling accounts. So there are platforms like FarmSwap, where you can go with your TikTok account and sell. So what will be happening is that there are companies and brands that are looking for accounts with a huge following. So once you grow an account with a huge following, now you can go to those platforms and sell and make a lot of money. Okay, so that is another way of making money on TikTok. But the key here is that when you're growing that following, make sure that the niche is in line with the brands or the companies that you are going to target when selling that account. For example, if you want to later sell your account to a sports brand, make sure to get a following that will be interested in sports. Otherwise, you will not be able to sell your account. So that's another easy way of making money on TikTok. And last but not least, on number 5, we have affiliate marketing. So what will be happening here is that you create an account with companies like Amazon, and then from there now you'll be given a link, and then you share that link in your description or even in your bio, so that when your followers want to buy anything, let's say from Amazon, they will just use your link, and once they buy stuff from Amazon, you'll get a percentage from the total sales that follower will have done. So that is another way of making money. So there are a lot of companies that do affiliate marketing. So just go and do your research and then create an account. Obviously that will be in line with your niche. For example, if you're into cosmetics, go and look for companies that do affiliate marketing on cosmetics, and then from there now you share your link with your followers, and you never know, maybe a lot of your followers will end up buying from that company, and that will mean that you also get money from that company. It will be a percentage. Usually it's a small percentage, but if you have a lot of people using your link, that will add up to a large amount of money. So that's another way of making money. So on this one, having a lot of followers will be an advantage, because obviously if you share a link with 1 million people, there's a high probability that maybe a quarter of those people will use your link, and that will mean a lot of money. So this is it, guys. These are the 5 main ways of making money on TikTok. So if you have an account, just try one of these or even all of them. You never know, maybe you might be the next TikTok millionaire. All right, so if this was your first time coming to this channel, don't forget to go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you get a notification the moment we post another video. And always give us a thumbs up if you have liked this video. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.